Okay, guys, let's see if we can find a long position here.
Long
Okay,
signal and
we got
Q.
filled. Let's see if we can catch it here, guys.
Long signal ES. Long signal and
Okay,
Q.
market pushing to the upside.
Long signal and Q.
There you go. We got filled the first one, second one.
Long signal ES.
When you see this blue
Long
lines,
signal
guys, here
ES.
it's a bullish momentum. Okay, in the volume,
Long
inside the
signal
volume.
and Q.
Okay,
Brick
so
setup.
when you see it turn like orange or something like that, this is orange, and this is I think it's
Long
blue.
signal and Q.
Is an exhaustion. Okay, so you need to be careful with that. When you see this, don't go long. Or okay, so if you're in a long position, okay, just when you see this blue line, well, it means that volume is picking up. So you cannot see that it's inside the code, so it's very powerful, guys. So as you can see here, we made the trade. 3 contracts, we're out. And let's see what else.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, the market just went to the tick in this reversal, as you can see here, and we managed to get the breakout. I said the Nasdaq. What do I always tell you guys? Okay, so well, first of all, Happy New Year to you guys. Okay, so I'm still working. I'm always working, and as you can see, linear regression was here. And when you see the Nasdaq do this
Long signal and Q.
to the tick, when you see the Nasdaq do this,
Brick set.
Long signal
exactly
and Q.
respecting the ATR, you can expect a continuation up. This is I do believe this is a market, let's say a in agreement. The market, all the buyers and sellers are in agreement. Okay, you can barely see that because it's barely not doesn't always work because the market is random. Okay, so as you can see here, we got the first one to
Brick
the tick,
setup.
to the tick. Market reversed, and then we touch the ATR
Brick
and reversed,
setup.
and you see the spike of the market. See the volume, and the ES, of course, is gonna follow. Okay, so what else, guys? I wanted to tell you. I was asked. Oh, here this reversal here. When you see the 3 boxes in the same, these are 3 boxes. Okay, you gotta be careful because if the market is congesting over here, it means that it doesn't have a clue of where it's going. Okay, or they are just preparing to take it to the other side. This is what happened when you see 3 boxes in the same in the same
Short signal and Q.
okay, so in the same leg, be careful because the market is gonna reverse. It works a lot of time. You just need to watch it. Okay, so don't overtrade, guys. Right now the market can go crazy. I'm gonna wait for the end of the day. Maybe I can find one good trade again. But this was textbook, guys. This was excellent. I see 1,000 contracts. You see here 1,000 contracts up, and 22 seconds, and we see another one in 9 seconds, 1,900 contracts. Then you see 1,600 contracts here. So, you know, that's a lot of volume. Then we see over here, this is the late buyers. They got trapped and they got stopped out. So that's how it is, guys. It's a very tough game. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. You can always send me any question that you may have. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.